All right, check this out. I got one of these. It took forever to get here. No one was selling these, and I was able to get them. It took a week and a half for this product to get in. I think I had to get it from like, I don't know, Europe somewhere. I think that's where it's coming from. But very, very difficult. I'm excited. Bought this for myself for work. It's not sponsored whatsoever. I needed something to replace my two Dells or 2K monitors to something more of a single. As you can see, I have additional monitors there for work. However, I needed one single big one. And then on top of that, I'm going to keep the other two and put it on top. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. So first things first, this box is massive. It's standing up. It's just right below my shoulders. Awesome though. Let's go ahead and unbox. Whoop. Okay, again, I'm not a professional reviewer, and so I don't have any stands or camera, stuff like that. So just bear with me. Okay, here you go. All right. Beep, beep, beep. This is freaking massive monitor. You guys probably seen some of the videos online of how massive this monitor is. If you're interested in this monitor, you can get it through Amazon. If you buy it through Samsung themselves, they'll actually tell you to, there's authorized dealers that can go ahead and sell you this. So I'm gonna have to put the camera down and take it off and kind of mount it on my desk and see, you guys can see how it looks like. I do want to point out though, for how expensive this monitor is, interestingly, it does not have USB-C. On top of that, at least where I can't see it, on top of that, it's 2 display ports in HDMI, which can handle quite a bit of stuff, but there's no USB-C here at all, or even a mini display port. But it'll be fine because I have a docking station for my USB-C. So we'll see how it goes. Holy smokes! I can't imagine. It's so hard to kind of like, kind of showcase how insane this monitor looks right now. Because like, if you look at straightforward, it's nuts, right? Like I can barely fit in front of me. I had to lift this thing, and it's quite heavy. So it looks great, just straightforward. It looks like a flat, kind of weird, distorted. But when you actually look in the back and the way it's shaped, look at that. It is freaking nuts. I couldn't stop laughing, and just the way it looks so freaking insane. And I think that's gonna light up, so, but holy smokes. Yeah, because if you look straight, no problem. Get out, dog. Okay, look straight. It looks so normal. It's like, it looks like a more normal, crazy, weird, as if someone took a window, like a Microsoft Windows application, and kind of stretched it wide. That's all it looks like. But as you get closer, again, oh, what the? Look how curved this thing is. It is nuts. So my understanding is the way that this thing is designed is it's the same peripheral vision as your eyes see. So the goal is for me to be able to work on codes, do some development, and it makes it easy to kind of see stretched out. I'm hoping, my understanding is you can snap windows, and you have to use like Power Toys or something like that to make it work a little bit. But I'm gonna play around with it. I'm using a P1 Lenovo. It's supposed to be powerful enough to run this. And yeah, because my Lenovo is 4K, so I'm sure this is gonna handle for that power. I don't need any of that anyway for the way what I do for work. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this all plugged in, leave you my last impressions. And again, this is for work, personal use. This was never given, it's not a given, it's not a sponsor. What you see YouTubers out there that just, they get these products for free. It must be nice. For me, for what I believe, what I'm going to be using it for, I will get it. And so I'm going to test that. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Oh, so crazy. Okay, so crazy. Okay, I'll see you in a minute. All right, we also wanted to play some games on this one, what it looks like to play games. So we hooked up our Razer Blade 2019 and see how it looks like. And of course, Fortnite was the one of the few games that we have. So it was actually fun, immersive, playing the game. And of course, on top of that, we wanted to try it out and what it looks like in a video, on a movie. So we searched for YouTubes that are 32:9 ratio, and we found this very fitting movie clip. And so we're pretty excited. I'm pretty excited myself because I use it for work. Here's what it looks like. And again, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you guys can subscribe and like the video, that will certainly help and support the channel as I want to do this more. And of course, I also want to buy a Jaguar F-Type. So help me out here. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.